Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to enable the automatic software update. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. As you can see, here I have settings, so the car icon, let's just tap it. And here you can change from assistance, so from the first tab to the fourth tab, which is system. So let me open system. Now you can navigate by using the left menu, scroll down to the bottom of the list and select here software update. As you can see, in my case, there is no update available, but I can tap here the settings and I can choose update automatically. So if there is any update to download, to install, the car will do it automatically. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.